As what I get. Unotenga chi masupa? Masupa kutengwa ichi kutengwa. Nabo mangutenga manyati. Nabo mangutenga manyati. Mtengire kani precious. I don't have money, bro. Chat. What's up? Ati sobo manyati. Kuselu? Ana super, nyatro tem samsuru. Nyatro tem samsuru ana super. Ana garin fridge. What's good chat? I ango praise, what's up? I praise from India, what's up? How are you? I'm good. You're joking. I'm not joking with anything. Ango praise, you're stressing us as a country. Guys, I don't know why guys you don't take me serious at all. Like, I don't know, maybe you can see my face is doing as if it's joking with you or it's playing games and playing shit with you. But I don't know. That's why I closed the comment section because I didn't want to keep on replying you guys. But I'm not joking with anything. Like, take it or leave it. But yeah. What's up, Leon Cast Lifestyle Diaries? You just want to be beaten. Come beat me. One of the couples. Okay, a couple's singing is coming. Oh, I'm it. Guys, this is not a fucking prank, guys. Why would I play with you guys? Why would I come and post someone and don't post and don't mark his eye and then for what? For what? For what? Ishi? Go on. And what thing? Oh, Ishika, it's fine. It's fine. Do something nyati. It's fine. I'll get a soup. Precious didn't take soup. It's fine. Don't be alive. Don't be alive. I'm going to come back. I'm going to go to guys, I'm going to come back. I praise you like what's up? I'm going to praise you. This is real Madrid. This is real. But I don't know why you guys keep on doubting me. I don't know. All is well, bro. Thank you so much, guys. I don't play games, guys. When it comes to content, guys, I don't even know why guys go in Hamburg go pray and guy go repeat. So with everything that I mention, you keep on thinking that I'm doing my pranks with you. I don't even know what you prank keep and Hamburg we try, but it's fine. I think we're done with this story. We can go live together. I don't mind. We can go live together if you want to. That's the best. If you want. Kana shida ngau yetinde live. Kana shindru kumunyepera kare nacho. Or if you guys think with maybe I'm lying. Or because I'm tired of being blamed and I'm tired of being the problem. Panopera my relationships. I'm tired of being like, I don't even know, guys. If you think praise is pretending, it's fine. Why is still on Karian's bio on Instagram? Which Instagram? I don't even know about the Instagram that you're talking about. Because Karen, I blocked you on all socials. So what Instagram are you talking about? Well, this angle, with you, thank you so much. I wish you well, a beautiful woman from God. Thank you so much. She seems to be cool. I didn't think, guys. Imbanyoro ndo tsenga za mato, guys. Someone are so cool kuti uka atozwa kuti munhu anodaisoka unozviramba yo unozviramba kuti munhu ari kunyeperwa. I'm telling you unozviramba kuti munhu ari kunyeperwa, but it's fine. And I told you this is just the simplest evidence that I have. She says ane zvake zvapraise zvanazvo ka ngauye nazvo, you get it? I don't mind, ngauye nazvo, and I got explanation for everything. You know what I mean? She seems, I saw it here. The homo is saying it's true. Guys, this is true, guys. I'm not doing my funnies, guys. I have a lot of content. I just relocated. I need content apartment. I need content content apartment, content my house, content link out with friends, my couples exchanging. Those kind of content. Why? Why, guys? Like, come on, why? Why should we do that? This was supposed to be done and ended. This was supposed to end in peace, kudara. But yeah, we couldn't understand each other because of a lot information and I was so pissed off and I had to let this out of my chest. Hey guys, D. Because and you guys, you keep on asking me, where's Karen? Where's Karen? Where's Karen? That vlog with guys, Chabukana, you couldn't believe me. Do we get evidence? You couldn't believe me as well. I praise, where are you? I made my mom's place. And I will believe when Karen speaks up. If she want to, she can come, I don't mind. If you want to speak up, okay, I don't mind. I praise, I understand your pain. If you never head is done to you, don't understand it. Thank you so much. Can I some of you are never seen a guy? I won't go forward since guys, truly speaking. You think with me my fan is, you think my fan is you get. I finally realized it wasn't a prank. I heard the audio and I was so embarrassed that it was my brother. Is it? Are you so sure? You see, guys, it was your brother, Monashona. Are you so sure? You see, people they think that I come here to play fucking games with them. Can I that's a game room? I should have done some shy. Sagam room. I should do good zeg man. This person is saying this is the person Washona. It was my brother. And you think that I will come here and do fucking games and play with you guys? And if I tell you anything, you won't believe me. What the fuck is that? And I thought you guys are my family. I praise if you default my calls later, you will bless. So you're sing. I'm so sing. But why was she? I don't even know, guys. Guys. What were you lacking? What? I don't even know. Maybe she can come live. I can share the link if you want inviting. Are we live? Are we at our what was I lacking? Maybe she can tell us. Man, I guess. Maybe I was lacking man. I couldn't give you $20 per day. So I'm actually gonna buy. So yeah, it's fine. I am gonna praise. I watch the full vlog. Guys, if you watch the full vlog, you realize what I'm not playing, guys. I can't come here and fuck around with you and play around with you. We are ashamed. Karen doesn't they do that with excellence. Those ones in Buganyoro, guys. Where's those in Buganyoro, guys? And the fact you go to Nungo Chisimbis Konema Burura Agoga. It's so bad, guys. I'm telling you. It's so bad. Can I walk Sarapachina or no Sarapachina wig? I'm being very, very honest with you. You praying Ango press. I don't praying with I didn't do my praying since I so it's not a praying because Ango is feeling. Guys, I knew whatever was happening, guys. I knew whatever was going through, what was going on. I had to gather evidence. I had to do my research. I had to stay undercover. I had to do whatever, tripping and pretending to be a fool. So that you guys tomorrow you're not going to believe me. Guys, we broke up because of this and that. My God, please, please, can you please swear on God? I swear on God, Dofa Israel, even Buyanga and Johnny Anga Farin, Gansabati Marim left. Why would I lie? I swear on my mom, I swear on God, I swear on everyone. Bambiri paying you and 160 or panap. Why would I lie? Karen is not a dramatic person like you. Sakandes Wako, Nambuya Wako, and go blog him, Matako. Where are you? Hide user from channel. Shit. I need moderators here, guys. I need the Tongombea family moderators here. Yes, if you want to be a moderator and you want to participate, right with Ango, add moderator. So that you guys, Tongombea family, wanatara shit, munemshwa blocker. I'm giving you the power to block everyone and any negative energy. I only have one moderator so far. But you're working hard for someone. Guys, it's so crazy, moves here. It's so. Eddie. Banyatari Weroseru. Chimbo any get but better one you. Guys, I've been working very hard. But it's okay. It's okay. Precious. You don't think I'm going to Manyat. I've taken what to say, go no penger. You don't think carrying. Oh, I'm a big fan. I'm going to aid moderators, but I'm going to aid my moderators. I don't know my moderators. I don't think I'm going to go to no. I'm going to go to so and I could them more. Yapano. What is that now?
Hi.
pane vanhu 173 tori maita sei?
Maita sei?
Toti ndiana kunetsa plus yangu.
Ndiana kunetsa plus yangu.
Ndokuputisa.
Ndokuputisa.
Chinoita nesupa. Ndikuvera ndakasvipa mata akadzoka aoma. Ndikasvipa mata ukadzoka aoma.
Ndinotenga mangani?
1. Notenga. Amen. I sit 10 rand. Ndira mari lingoni.
Lingoni kanya.
Anzi dora. Uye change yangu. Manya. Alright, it's okay. Unotora, it's fine. Bye.
Thank you.
Give it to me. I want to be a moderator. Okay, let me put you a moderator. Oh, sorry. I deleted a comment by mistake. Akakadza nemunhu asikuziva munhu anadelete comment yake. Few deleted. Or talent gone. Put it as moderator. Tatanga kuita moderator. I've watched the previous vlog. Please, guys, why would I lie, guys? I won't come here to get attention. Guys, I've grown this channel over 41,000 without any drama. Let's be moderator, Rachel. Let me put you a moderator. Drama. I've grown this channel for over 41,000 people. 41,000. This is the those who grow on a channel, Karen. Drama, Karen. Guys, I can do better, guys. You my family. I can do better, guys. Those who ever nasty, those that wouldn't have drama and Karen. I've been pushing this channel from 2023. Yeah? I'm going to take the shout. Thank you. Moderator, yeah, guys, my moderator is Musaso. Oh, I hid your message. Let me take it back. I don't want to buy a paper car. Okay, it's fine. I'll put your moderator. Kylie, I want to be like Karen anymore. I see there's a vlog after the guns I moved in with Kim and Tanaga. Yes, there's a vlog. There's a vlog. I want to comment per vlog, but I can't. The same fans you are hating subway. I closed the comment section because there are some people I post something serious, you guys keep on saying, you praying. So now you know my channel again. Guys, come on. So if I post something on YouTube, and now I'm going to zero the praying, I praise the good in your pair. That's why some of you guys, you are so frustrated with this channel and they are so tired of this channel because Munofungo Moga in your pair. Because Munonya Makambara said, Gamunus, Mundis, Hira said with the praying. Pansano post a praying, you mean name purpose of praying. Pandukuta are serious, you mean name purpose of praying. So, I can't be serious anymore. You can't believe that I could say and I could say the Karina and the Karina, I'm not how I praying. The could say this and that, I'm not how I praying. The Kati, come on, guys. Everything to is praying. Chakuzeka and Guru Warandra for one moti praying. Your sister is beautiful. Thank you so much. So, praise, how did you behave? But you didn't come. Guys, I told you guys I was willing to change for this one, for this relationship, or for this girl. I was so willing to change, to be a better person, to be not that praise. Because we have been seeing things like I wonder. You get it? To be that praise. Anoti. Akawana chinhu obva mhanya obva anotaura no unongokula. I wanted to be that guy who anongokula handle the situation omboona zvikuenda kupi. I've been guys, if she want anouya add moderator. Let me add you. If she want ne guys, my moderator zika my moderators my powers. Please don't misuse the powers. She's beautiful. I'm going to check the shout. Okay, thank you. Yes, praise. I love your sister. Thank you so much. I'm going to some message. Your sister is beautiful moderator. Ed me, I wanna be a moderator. Okay. Say me get a moderator. Thank you so much. You see? Let me add your moderator here. Why would I lie, guys? I'm drinking this, not a paid promo, but I think I really need this one. Those are tinazo. Those are two chips what you can't afford. My Don Julio. Those are jokers are two chips. Those are two kumapa gateways. Those are tinazo. I'm 100% sober, guys. And sandangwa anything. Rodo tango to mwezo. So the praise out of Niparo. This is sober and Dinakana Chandangwa. I'm very sober. Avoid the code girls. You'll find someone with brains and wisdom. Thank you so much. It can't be fixed. It can't. Forgiving a cheating girlfriend will be something else. Will be the craziest thing ever. it will be the craziest thing ever. Thank you so much. Asana just anything since morning. When I was in Cape Town, guys, before I don't have appetite. Wait, let me ask you. Precious, you guys, you think that I was pulling some games or doing some jokes? Come here. Come here. I want to ask you something. Come here. I tell you guys, I have been stressed. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. I want to ask you, Precious, come here. I want you to speak in English. Ne? I want to ask you, we are on live right now. We're over 170 people watching. What did I eat today?
Today?
Yeah. Did I eat today?
You ate nothing.
I ate nothing. You wanted to eat which food in the Ramza Maxina? What did you
Chimunya.
Chazo Chiwanan. Can I was here? I was here. Lincoln. Lincoln. Wait, I was here. Lincoln. Let me ask this one. Ndachikachinas. Huh? Azojika sadza rangu ndiani? Kuva Maxina chikachi? Thank you. Seriously, this is the first thing that I'm putting on Kano from Nezuropa Vlogureku and chicken slice there. I've been so stressed, guys. This thing has been stressing me. And you guys think that I'm making I'm doing games and drama about this. Because we're very confident. She's very confident. Okay, I'm going to watch vlog. Okay. Open the comment section on the last vlog. No. The moderator. Send me the moderator. I didn't. Yeah, send me the moderator. Thank you so much. Kyle, I don't know what happened. Someone. Shame, God give you someone. Guys, I'm not pulling in dramas. I'm not doing any games. I'm tired of chicken different people don't understand. Thank you so much. Moderators, okay. Is it true? This is true. Add moderator, add moderator. Okay, so okay, guys, I'm gonna add you all. I'm gonna add you all, guys. Guys, I've been doing everything, guys, for this girl. Like literally everything. Like, guys, everything, guys. Everything. And you guys, you think that I'm pulling games here, I'm doing some drama, I'm being dramatic. I come and post something, you guys, you won't believe me. Because you think press Roma praying, and I come praying, I post something serious, man, I'm press Roma praying. That news annoying me, talking like a child. What does these friends from Saloon say about here? The thing is, she keeps on lying to them. She makes me the bad person for my friends. So now that she got Budaga, I mean, not just among my friends. Because I know the praise. Voice in the racket, it can be AI. I want AI, know it, voice. Yes. I mean, not just about my friends. Because she's misleading everyone. Everyone, even everyone, my friends, the people around my circle, everyone who knows me. When I was here before Karen, you can't tell them anything and they won't tell me. That's the truth. Or I won't find out. Arutaura sarangu kwese rukusvibiswa rukunzi praise ndiye culprit ndiye dzakati this and that ndone machasi kana ane machasi ngauye ka zvari kudza vanhu uye akaongotoenda live kana patiktok kana payoutube ka back and forth ka tonangana kuti aiwo uri kuti zvakati ai ndiri kuti zvakati iwo uri kuti zvakati ndiri kuti zvakati. You get to us they say for people who are serious and think become cheaters. I never liked him. I saw he was quite lying. Delicious buffalo. Ed moderator. Karen, get me my love. Oh, seriously. Amara seba mix. Polato. Guys, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. And guys. In Zandakudze, guys, that's the safest thing that I could tell you or that I could show you for you to believe, guys. There's when I mean there's something deep in something crazy. I really mean it. There's more than Zandakudze. It can't be possible. There's a lot. It can't be possible. But you know what? I'm so clever. I have evidence. I've been keeping evidence for like 4 months now. I've been pretending. But ndichiziya munhu wangu, ndichiziya tsoro yangu, ndichiziya musungo wangu. You see. Sorry, your real praise will come. I believe someone says, yes, I believe someone will come. So, also. You see, guys. So, here, man, I know my friends, I got them out. I would see. So, I remember, guys, I'm not someone who likes ending things in a bad way. I'm not someone who likes violence. I'm someone I know apologize real quick. I want you guys to go and ask Paida. I want you guys to go and ask Christine. We fought even though nyango akazoramba chindirwisa ke Paida kumastreets. I just did to depend kwaendirwisa my group, but which is fine. It's okay. I understand maybe ane hasha dzako something. But ask her, I told you, Paida, you know what? I posted this video. Ndakazorwisa video racho. I posted this video and I'm going to expose my ex. But poster. There's my chances that I can delete it. But we can do this on one condition. We can delete this video. We can work as people, no beef, no what. We can make use of the moment and make content. Vakaramba. And ndakati stupid. But I'm not someone who ends things on a bed nose in my ex. But ndosongotonge problem because ndindotaura or maybe ndine a bigger platform. Even up to now, and problem ex or anyone. If you want, we can make content out of this. Yes, we can go on a date. Yes, we can talk about this. Same as Karen, I told you, let's make a video. That video didn't pass right. Ushenda ku Zimbabwe. Ndakatokudze how she left kumba kwacho naka. You all will be surprised. Kuti from kumba kwangu kwachona kwangarika. Kuti azoenda ku Zimbabwe kwachona akabhasi. Akazoenda kune bhasi sei. Amboya nendege. You will be surprised. You'll be surprised. Because ndege nebhasi wangu siyana about 500 rands or something. You'll be surprised. You get. Didn't expect this from me. So guys, I was sacrificing a lot, guys. Even Kamota Kangu is so dusty. Come on, it's okay. Oh. Imunangato ne mota here. And season. I knew. I wanted to do this for my girl and vanhu ngavati roast zveduka but nguva yekuvhura hombe ichakwana. Tichanorora vanhu vonyara. But it didn't work like that. Unongotoplana mumwe munhu achitofunga rekasina shadha don't go with flowers where other men go with condoms. Iwe unongochinyeperwa kunzi ndaenda kumahouse call, ndaenda kwakati, munhu wakararwa aukuona kutoti inini ndakangosangana nemukomana wani. Munhu ari kuona mazidharo. Iwe uri kutoshingira kutoti adire baby. Munhu ane mazidharo. But you teach each other the depths, what. Guys, I'm going to translate, guys. I don't know. Phone I'm going to translate my life, guys. You know, translate into English. I don't know which daro. You can carry the best. After just guys, I'm so disappointed too, guys. I never expected that from her. I thought she was gonna change, but she didn't. I thought she was gonna change, but she didn't. I told you guys that I'm going through a lot. I'm going through shit. I'm going through hell. You don't remember doing it, so don't watch the from zero, guys. So don't watch all the time that I wasted the resources and everything to be with this girl for like my months. So don't watch that. Akaita zihombe rake rakavhuraka and I accepted this. I don't want to mention it because I don't wish anything bad paari. And ndina chandomushuira chakaipa, ndidi kumurayira, the reputation yake with media. Cheating is something normal, but I just need to tell you as my family so that if I post another one, you won't ask me the praise. Why is it? Guys, I'm so disappointed, not gonna lie. I'm so disappointed, I'm so hated. I'm someone who is a gangster, but I've been struggling to be the gangster that don't forget in the gangster. I've been struggling, I've been pushing 2-3 days without eating. Ghana. Something. I remember the day that I went to sell my car. I bought McDonald's breakfast. I even ended up giving the whole meal. I think this was like 150 or something to the person. I told you I've been stressed. A lot is going on back home and stuff. But guys, if I show you right now in my mom's anger and the man that I was saving to marry Karenika, it was gonna do something better. But then my mom's anger right now, even my property is outside there. It's a cottage, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing deep. Mom's anger was taking a but I was doing a lot for her. I was saving for her because I wanted her to be my wife, like. But you guys think I'm crazy. Every time I do a prank, you're coming with a prank. Guys, come on, guys. I'm sick and tired of this. You can't be telling me that I'm coming with a prank. Where did you in Cape Town? Seems like home to you. Cape Town is expensive. I had to move out from Cape Town to save. Guys, fun thing is, I've been living in Cape Town for years, for like 3 years. But from nowhere, I just came. Guys, sometimes you go to praise, no go to locate, but you don't know the reason behind the location. The reason behind relocating. First of all, I don't just relocate. I also make money out of it. You go that's how I make money. From kupopote koko. So kupopote koko kanokoshera. Secondly, I had to adjust. I had to come with Joburg where it's affordable. I was paying almost like 6,000 ka one room. And I had to adjust to save money. Ndichitotaura zvakaoma iye ndatomuzoti ndakana dola muno but nditosiya yangu kuti ndikusevha mari kuti ndisirakamwanaka pandichakasepuraiza ndingokodza kuti mangwana tikuinomba kwenyuka kachatoona kuti kuchamana vari kuita siya. You get please shit happens, yours will come hopefully. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. May the Creator before you will find your true self. Thank you so much. Pakaipa, guys. If he says I'm lying, it's okay. Ngawe live kana ane machatsa nawo ngaendese kana kwa KB kana kwani kwa MJ kana kupi ku TikTok kana kwa Mama Rasta kana kwani. I don't mind because I can go live and defend myself and come with evidence. If she says it's AI or it's edited, no, it's not edited, it's not AI. Iri chatira ku Karen iri. Uchitaura apa. Musi wakati from last year. I don't even mind. I'm ready. I'm so ready, and I have all the evidence. Ndakatodziloka ndinadzo. Yes. Ndakatodzikipa pari safe. Nangu ndakahekerwa maaccounts yangu ndakaita sika. Zvitori mflash. They won't take it. I've kept the info somewhere safe. Very safe. That info can't go anywhere. If she says I'm lying, I'm giving it 24 hours to come live or TikTok, or Instagram, say, please, you're lying. Tauro, please, you're lying. I'm ready, so I ain't gonna mad and I keep it in Araguda. Come in this cook, I'm not praise. Oh, thank you so much, Sammy. I didn't see this. And the people pressures are taking my sweet. Pressures, come here. Thank you so much. I didn't see this. I don't even know. Sammy, if you're still here, comment. Come here, pressures. Come here. Where's your phone? Someone sent you the money, but it's gonna show next month though. And to take my Swiss. How much is it? Let's search here. Someone loves you here, sent you the money. Say, let's search on your phone. Where's Google? Search how much and to take my Swiss. Thank you so much, Samantha.
Thank you so much, Samantha.
No, Sammy. That's like 729. So no longer gonna message in the 729. Some Zimbabwe. So my should have not marry. AED to USD. I think they go Dubai or something. Yeah, Pondo. Chazokupa next month kana iwe. Unochazokupa. Nambokupa $. Chimborwa super. Alright, it's okay. Anyways, guys, yeah. Ramansa one bro. Makapo exchanging arto ndezve so nditori nebitterness yakaomarara. Nditori nehasha zezo. Zvakaomarara. This brings a rule of fun. Mamoderators vana kunyora maprank vablock vana Michelle Chadzima. Why you do ndichazopedza ndakutukira rambo yavenyu manje? Why you do keep on telling me kuti maprank chikuzoti maprank? Saka ndopengere ndikukudzai kuti haasi maprank. Ndindopenga kandima kuziya chani yangu ndaika. Ndokupai maaccounts acho mumhanya. Because ndimunoziva this is a prank, this is real. Ndimunoziya ka. It's not a prank. And I'm one of those who blamed, but now I believe you my brother. Life is tough sometimes, you get to me. Thank you so much. Just because the praise are not taurisa, just because the praise, so that's the minute, guys, I won't get cheated to, guys. That's the minute I won't face this, guys. That's the minute I will come here pranking you, guys. Stop doing that. Stop blaming me, guys. That's why I close the comment section. Why would I lie? You want me sure let me block you, such and boy moon. Do it rambo yako. Let me block you. Can I ask you something? You delete all my vlogs. I don't know vlogs. That's all. Praise if you are praying us. Guys, why would I praying you guys? Guys, if he's saying I'm lying, I don't want to go here. What praise are we? And the platform is open for everyone. The platform is for everyone. I don't know where praise we. Then we start from there. You see, I don't go to praise. Praise urukunyepa. Then we start from there. No, but I should put something like a chingita man. Yes. You see, she can say praise urukunyepa, and then I will come. Nice. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry, but another day, another one. When you see the one you love, I just hope I will find someone that I will love. And if someone that I'm gonna date is here, please you better be clean because I'm a very good investigator. I can investigate you ndakanyarara. Pa social media usaone madrama guys. Pa social media usaone mafiles, usaone une information yako iri masters, you end up blaming us shouting as if vakashata because information is to haunt you. Usaone my exes are bitter pa social media. You know that one is so thick skinned. Because information it will hunt you. You know kutera kwaenda. Because not everyone is happy about seeing you on social media. Not everyone, bro. Not everyone. You see, kind of doesn't seem like a good person. I can't tell that he opens the door with a voice note. But it's really bad if only that man's wife had caught him and had him arrested. And I can't believe, and I can't tell that he opens the door with a voice note that I heard. It's really bad if only that man's wife he had caught him and had him arrested. You see, guys, if you want, I'll get the wife. South is so small. I'll go there. I'll get the files. I'll vlog with them if you want. I'm going to do research. I'll go so that when you go, I will do research. I'll vlog with them. You get? Beware of friends who devise you. In personal, I don't have friends. Praise beware of friends. Personally, I don't have friends. Personally, I have brothers and they are not into this drama. Yes. I have people I respect like Kim and Tanak. I have people I respect like Premium. They are not into this drama. Personally, ndakazvimira ndome and handina friend. Inini pachezo wangu oh. Ndakamira in praise magara ndina shamwari. Ndotama ndega. Inini ndakazvimirira. I'm not trying to convince you, bro. Like, why would I convince you? Why would I convince? I'm just talking to my people. Why would I convince you? Who are you? What's so special about you? Why is it? Super will make you more even angry. Masupa ndo watu afford that. Ando watu cheat with that. We don't have money. Those are who cheat Jesus. Those are not afford. Why is it? Until I hear from Karen, end up page wake unonzwa from here. I'm not saying kana kuti ndikunyepa vachi go to a page unomvunza praise ari kunyepere kana ati ari kunyepa wobva wachidzoka wauya panapa kuti Karen ati praise kunyepa tobva tachiti okay since praise adzi ari kunyepa Karen shuya panapa ndoya panapa shuya pa live let's do back and forth tingoona kuti ari wrong ndiani. I don't mind being wrong. Let's see what she did. No, I can't do that. I'm not even a cruel person. I'm just someone who tried to prove the point only. And then I would see you it's okay, it's something personal for you. I wanted to make friends who were jealous of the league. And he wanted to make friends who were jealous of the league audios. Are you still looking for an apartment? Where I stay in Greendale, there are 1-bedroom apartments for 500. They are modern in this for new complex, for close food lovers. 400 is a bit out of my budget. Maybe something like 3 to 400. 500 is like a bit too much for me. Maybe let's start from 300, around 300. 400 max, but yeah, around 300. I don't want something too crazy. You know what I mean? I gotta save. I gotta save and build also. So yeah. Please, you look clean with no rasta. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Guys, Makumi Zinyaka wants, so I'm being slow with my reading. The big question is whether she got pregnant sometimes ago or maybe she had an body. I don't know. The wedding favors you. I wanted to buy, but why didn't you buy them? Because there was a recent video when you guys got divorced. I don't know. I don't understand the comment though. Please, yes, Mursey, you shared with your own stories. How are you, my brother? Difficult. What are the apartment number green deal? Guys, that's what happened, guys. I'm being very honest with you. Please give us audio. How can I play the green? How can I play the audio? Precious! Bring my laptop and my speaker. Now. Run. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Okay, we are in Ndogupa. We are in speaker on the laptop. We are in speaker on the laptop, John. By the end of the day, carry my support. Chetty. I don't mind coming to apologize or even coming here to apologize to you, the people. But if she doesn't want, she want mesh with me, it's still fine. She got the balls, it's still fine. You get? Yes, we are saying it's a prank cause no one is trusting you. But that's your own fish to fry. I won't be able to convince you. I don't have that time to convince you. If you think it's a prank, it's up to you. If you don't trust me, there's you. My audio vlog. Let me play them for you. Precious is gonna bring the thing in. The speaker and laptop. Laptop I'm gonna need a speaker. Are they? No. Are they on my laptop? I don't know. I just wind current dating married men. Guys, I always come here looking like a bad person, and after breaking up with someone, you guys always take sides, praise the wrong one just because you love someone who was pretending to be so nice. Imagine now if I had to find out about this after getting married. Then the mama, and then my man is gone like that. In my heart, and man, mama just like that. Bring the speaker too. Wait a moment, girlfriend will be your poster, then you will marry. God bless. Thank you so much. It doesn't seem to be going. Guys, I don't think this is not a prank, guys. You were not supposed to expose those ways. Unless, guys, I'm saying it's not a prank. Why was I not supposed to expose those audios? Who are you to tell me that shit? Bring my laptop. Thank you so much. Now you can take your way, ma'am. I really appreciate it. My
man.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
It's okay. Who connected? Is it my laptop or something? Prayers. I want you to disconnect this speaker from teacher's phone. I think you're connected. Let me check if it's my laptop. You're connected. It's not my laptop. Go and disconnect the phone. What teacher? Right now. I'm giving you 5 seconds. To all the audience people, watch the previous video. Thank you so much, Semi. Without Makota Tower and Gawi, guys. I don't mind. Guys, this thing has been stressing me out, guys. I haven't been eating nicely for days. I had to let it come. I had to vent it out. Chest mango. I had to let this out of my chest. Chest mango. I had to let this come out of my chest. I've been undercover for so many days, guys, and she thinks she's so clever and whatever she was doing. What is connector? They're asking Karen to speak rather than saying more than what she did in the voice note. Thank you so much. You're supposed to be focusing on what she did on the voice note that I played to you. I don't think he's lying. I don't think. Guys, I don't have time to lie to you. It's my fire emoji in conversation if you can still hear me. Okay. Oh, network I end. Network yaenda. Network yabaya. Can you hear me now, guys? Thanks so much, Express no hub. Guys, type if you can hear me now. Type now if you can hear me. Type now if you can hear me. Type if you can hear me, guys. Let's go. Type if you can hear me right now. Can you hear me now? Yes. Let's keep on typing if you can hear me. Thank you so much. The network was gone. I was put on pressures. Anyways, I told you I kept this safe, and let me check if I still have the let me check if it's near. I told you guys I don't tower as guys. Network yangu ngaenda.
Bluetooth mode.
Network yangu ngaenda. Guys, I'm waiting for Karin kuti auye, guys. Ataura kuti praise uri kunyepa. You get? Ataura kuti praise uri kunyepa. Ndoti aiwa bho kana ndiri kunyepa isiji nyaya machasi ndinawo ari panapa aya. Even neshamwari yachona yanga chara nawo. Everything. I don't even know munyama wangu ndiwe Audrey. I don't even know. I have everything. You get? I have everything. I don't have. I still have to. Why is it? I don't know this guy called. I'm interested in what's happening. Shout out to you. We are fans. We love you, some brothers, and I like because there is no channel. We used to block it two times, but let me ask his friends who are like that. Yeah, I got a bad luck, to be honest. Truly speaking, a very bad luck. A very bad luck. A very bad luck. Guys, I don't have Wi-Fi in it. I'm trying to play the audios from the iCloud, the laptop, and I don't have the Wi-Fi. And my audios is now on phone. You get? I have everything, guys. If you can actually praise Urgunyepa, Pabo, Ngauye, at praise you're lying. Thank you so much to everyone who gifted me. I really appreciate it. Can actually praise you're lying? Let it come. And say, no, praise you're lying. Karin, since on Urgunyepa. Sorry, Kamungu. But you come a chance in Dinaoka, my evidence in Dinaoka. From 4 months ago, she's hiding me. I started every. Okay, let me play for you. The speaker was not connected. Pana connect the speaker.
Connected.
Okay, guys. This is a voice. I want you to listen.
Ndine vamwe baba school vandakaona ndichitoenda kubhastopu ndinokubasa mumareni edu vaigara ndisikumba kwedu ndikwidza mota yavo chakandiboa ndechekuti
Machatsayo
like vaishanda padhuze kuti havasvike mutauni saka vanosvika pabhastopu vati one pabusiness card ravo vanangoti alright
ivoice rake ndiri kunyepera
atangi vanangoti
ndiri kunyepera
vanangoti hai because he was very handsome. Apa munane vana 3.
Munane vana 3. One but ya homebreak I munane vana 3. Apa uri mu relationship. Urudana munane vana 3. You are dating munane vana 3. Apa uri mu new relationship. Listen.
Ndine vhera ndakambokuona uchibuda pamba plane. Atongoni munhu. Saka ngoti ndichazomuona ndazokuona murodhi ngatitoke nemutakure mwana tichitaura pepe kwakaivaimba mari ngati pabhebhera praise
tuchiitwa mari boys. I don't even know if it's a crisis kuti we don't afford mageto etu totsvaga pobuda napo tinomwanya ati tora tunoafford ndochiitwa shaya mari boys. Shaya mari I don't even know kuti mageto ese mazhinji sedraunga age yanga vazhinji vachonaka vamwe vacho havana mari nini noti kuti handakana mari but zvezera rangu zvechigeto eti I try. I can't be cheated for money, bro. Imagine paying the mari apiwa Guys. Okay, wait. What I'm saying, I have the evidence. Even in TV mango, I stalked the evidence. Kwese. Nyango wakada kuyeka chi. Listen.
Mangu handipewo baba wao kumuendesa kurestaurant kwandikaita kumutengera magifts amutengera bhutsu kane garments nechine masofu bhutsu dzaidhura even anotenga dzake ndakatenga dzake nedzangu kaya dzaita $30 each, $60 garment, $15 plus masocks $5 yamariyo $60, $75, $80 kupemveta tanova inonzi lunch ndingaibhadhara lunch iyoyo pachristmas vangu vakuenda kuchristmas kubulawayo like mukadzi wavo vese ndevekubulawayo nemukadzi wacho mukadzi wavo anga afanotunga vakuenda kuchristmas kubulawayo ubva wandipa $100 pabanifransi ndeyekudya pachristmas
$100 ndezva pachristmas. That same Christmas takabai out nebhegi rangu spend over a wire vlog riripo asi wapiwa nedarken rako zishuga rako rakupa mari and then you're coming to chat wine pambana wena. Anyways, okay, let's continue.
nekutsvaga christmas gift yakuda kuzoiona ini nekungwara baba basa kwedu kwaitengeswa mahembe inogwara
married men nevana 3 wechi4 akabva zvaro mukadzi ane nhumbi yechi4